Going next to anasemanga yenu wa hapa kwenu, anaitwa Senator Nyamu. Karibu, mpigeni makofi.
Your Excellency, the President, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the clergy, the family, the entire family of Waweru, fellow mourners and fellow leaders. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Murega. I am here to mourn with my colleague and friend, Senator Methu. And Senator Methu, you are also my senator because I have very strong ties with this county. You know, SAMIDOH is from here and he's right here. Na hata Christmas nilikuwa hapa, nimekula hapa. Na kwa hivyo, I might not have met the late Waweru, but we have seen the fruits of his labor from his children, particularly my friend Methu. And I think I have an idea the kind of man he was, and maybe he didn't take things too seriously, just like his son Methu likes to joke all the time. I'm not sure, but I can just imagine because of Methu. Your Excellency and the President and the Deputy President, I want to thank you most sincerely for being father figures to us, young generation leaders. It has been said here that you are mentoring us, you have mentored us, and personally, I am a beneficiary of your mentorship. I have received a call from you. You have spoken to me about being a focused leader. And so thank you very much. We want to assure you that as young leaders, we are behind you 100% as you transform this country economically, as you improve the lives of Kenyans. And, and Your Excellency, just to remain focused, because we know there is a lot of onslaught left, right, and center from the media, from the courts, and yours is to look at the result of what you're doing. At the end of the day, we are all going to applaud and thank you for what you have done to this country. We are very, very hopeful in your leadership, and thank you very much. Asanteni.
Makofi kwa Senator Nyamu, very, very focused. Senator kutoka Baringo.